Students, as we have already discussed about what is friction or the force of resistance, now we will focus on advantages of friction and what are the disadvantages of friction. Now, first of all, we will discuss about the advantages of friction. When we walk on any surface, that is because of the friction only. Basically, friction helps us to walk. Now, I hope you have noticed by yourself only, if you are walking on a slippery surface or a wet surface or a smooth surface, the friction is very less over there. That's why it is very difficult to walk over there. We may slip over the floor also. So friction helps us to walk properly on the surface. Next advantage, friction between the road and the tires of the automobiles, like the all vehicles that we ride on the road, that is also because of the friction between the tires and the ground, means the surface. Now, next advantage that we have is, suppose you are writing with a pen in your copy. Now, because of friction only, we are able to write with the pen on that particular piece of paper. So, you must have noticed, if you are writing in a oily paper with a pen, the pen doesn't work properly. Means the annotations does not come properly. Why? Because oily means it is smooth surface. Smooth surface means always lesser friction. So lesser friction, that's why it is very difficult to write with your pen on a oily paper. Now, friction also helps us to erase pencil marks on your paper. Because of friction only. Now, students, we will discuss about various disadvantages of friction. Now, friction is a phenomenon where it slows down the object's movement basically. So, if there are some advantages, there must be some disadvantages. So, what are they? We will discuss now. First of all, it slows down and stops the moving object. So whenever any vehicle is moving, its engine is in motion, there that means friction is being produced over there. So because of huge friction, the vehicles gets damaged, the engine gets damaged, and wear and tear happens. Next disadvantage that we have, that is, friction also damages our soles of our shoes. Because of continuous friction between our feet and the ground, if we are wearing a shoe, after few days we observe that our soles of the shoes. So these are the few disadvantages that we face because of friction.